Kodi jangen itten majjere mo janga hande no ani.
Kodi jangen itten majjere mo janga hande no ani.
Toroɗen Allah yo fewnu en e laawol ɓemɓe o nemini.
Imam, we welcome you to our office here. Thank you. Imam, then we can call you to...
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, malik yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم.
Good afternoon. Our able invited guests, we again stand here on behalf of our CEO, Mr. Mamadou Tuodabo, to formally welcome all of you to Vision Development Foundation. Thank all of you for coming to answer to our call. If you will recall, Vision Development Foundation is a non-governmental organization involved in supporting and showing care and always sharing with the needy, especially during the holy month of Ramadan. For us today, we are doing exactly the same call as usual, because for those of you who were with us, this is our third presentation since we started the Ramadan Sugar gift or Ramadan Sugar distribution. So today, we will not keep you long, but we would want to buttress the stand of our NGO, that is the Vision Development Foundation, under the leadership of Mr. Mamadou Tuodabo, to reconfirm or to reassure you that this NGO is a non-governmental organization and it is non-political organization. Because when you look at the operation from the inception to date, we have distributed so many bags of sugar in 10 kilos, representing the whole Gambia, because our distribution has no boundary. All the regional, area councils have been catered for, and many of those councils and their representatives have collected their sugars in the previous distributions. And today we have started targeting our different VDCs and other associations that are part of us, because we have a very long-standing relationship with some of these villages and the communities. So our role does not only stop in giving sugar to the needy people. We are into the social services domain, where we give educational support, that the scholarship. We are into the borehole drilling for the communities. We are also into ambulance services to the communities, as you can witness on the highways. And we also have our annual surgical camp that we normally organize. And in this surgical camp, Vision Development Foundation fund everything, and we invite those needy people to come and attend to those treatments free of charge. Vision Development Foundation also is into community development, that is road infrastructural maintenances or constructions, the feeder roads. This has been our activity for a very long time. The objective of all these activities is to ensure that we complement the good efforts of the government and we play our quota in national development. So this is what we do. So it should be clear that we are not in competition with anybody, but we are out here as Gambian, or as a Gambian institution and a philanthropy, to stand by the side of the Gambians, our brothers and sisters, to give what we can or what we have, or to share with those very underprivileged people. So this is what we do, and that's what we'll continue to do. Assalamu alaikum. Komi ngafo nyame, aketanye kontanoti, pour katol mumo be bismillah, Vision Development Foundation na bunda bato bakawjang, na alpha minketa Mamadou Tro daboti atoya ala, bi fana ketanye kontanoti, pour ka mol be bismillah, pour yene dankung na kumandiro la, kumandiro mi alon kon dalita ka woleke. Sunkaro kabira se kuma se faeta e bang, Vision Development Foundation, ñil mu kulete mi alon kon safo no sayin na adolem, ka molu kumandi, ka makoyro dila, sakura ku mol mili alon kon na affiliates members ol lemu, o mol lem mili alon ko, iben na kafo ñing konole. Womu kulete mi alon ko manke kukutati woto, mbenga nyo sute woto la. Yo, ñinan sunkaro 2026, ñinne mun signa sabanjangoti, pour ka molu kumandi, yena ke dankun Vision Development ani Mamadou Dabola, anin kaje ko, ntol se mune keno, komi ndalta ka minke, ka mol ma koy mol milialon koy bulol me kobe. So bi, wale ya kendi nanga nying kafol kumandi, kafol mimbi jambi, atale fo kafu keme, anin kafu worowula. Nga wale kumandi, wal kono la mo kunkilin na dolbi jele, bari ming siyata wallem kafolti, pour ni nata, ngela vidisil kumandi le, anin kafol milialon koye Mr. Dabo mutafati, nka shukuro chikanka dila, pour ya samba ila sate wolto, ni tata je bagila koytol financé hakilol tu molto mini alon koy bulol me kobe yo ñing sukuru dio nganiyo min biñani dalilo min biye wolemu ase kambe ngol lafa ay kilimbaya sabatindi sate wolto bari amanki di ñing kamako na dita alnyantal aleta ale sonka o ale fitina ino ay kawali o natije o manke na dalilot yo bari fanan lafitangi nako sukuro na dita mbenga lonko sukuro abuka mo kono fa domandi kawole kije anu ngalon ko dol fanan ben kono wol bloye ko benne bari min siyata wol blo me ko ben so sukuro nyin na dita al sa samba fo sate wolto nal batalala al yalla membas nyol be kumande me o men si min soto no ja kana kenyinte konte fo nga boto soto hani wo manke intentions ni man boto soto ni mindam fa soto o mindam fa fula soto o bete atale e kafunyo fana yo soto e sinyo yo soto wol mu kuleti mi alon ko bete ata baake andu dolbu je la talarnya a kontano ka waram fe baake bayri nga sute kon ka hakili maya baaje la talarnyal to andu kaje fana tonya sukuro nyin aka makoyro la faale bayri aka bontol mil bulu ntol malo barakata dami nga jike ko wole yallonne sukuro nyin mun na faale bije so wo kamala mbal be ya marlangi nako nal tata sukuro nyin al sa tala komi al dalta ka ke nyame al sal hakilol tuje mon mini alon ko man sukuro soto fere e se sukuro soto because obe kelatol fana e to diara ngolet anin al saitandi wo sato mon lako na keba min keta Mamadou Tro Daboti dalilo mi yake ninna kanyin sukurol di wolem nyinti ko puru mol milyalon koy man sukuro soto no isi sukuro soto ifana si kontani da sukaro fana se dia ntel sulata minna tol bulu wolem duwat na tata jannal ba talala al sifati ta le duwake Mr. Daboy fa kanyim bondi dame wo fanko se lafa anala do kulal min bebi jam te ben kambe ngo se tarajan jata kenda se tarajan e bagela kon simme ngatara nyofe so ñil mu dalil lolleti milia lon koy sarta kuwo kono bari mbe sunkarole kono sa mbe minkela wolem be kafo dol kumandi lale ise mo kilim bula wol se diamu ila kafo toyala bari o mum fanal la kolcholeti nim moy ku kendo ke aketa nyaawo nyandi ngamira isa fono ay ko baraka bagela ko ku kendo nyi mi yake ase kontani mim fana abe mimbula man pare kake asaje ko akumaya tale pour afana yake because tonya be dame Mr. Tro Dabo abe nyim programme o start la tuma min ka mol makoy otumo philanthropic nyol man siya nyim banko kan ni bi jam fawntol melo yo bari atele moti miya lonko ay nyin commencé bi ngaaje ko philanthropie jama sotota wol fanan ka molu makoy mtol be wole noma kan fanal be wole kumande kan pour mbese mboke mom monde mi fen soto no ikana jitu yena ifanan si menke no banko la nyaato tato isi woke wolem tel la lonkan dangoti
ngata ne ku tanne mo ko woloke ko lolu do min biji sa to mol se bul fof nyoka o masa ko dafna sa bulo kaf nyoma ase men do ko doje aya Vision Development and People's Movement for National Unity to the Lord. So on that note, Bafalale ko ala baraka bake. So sign be kaful tol kumandila. Nim pareta woto be kaful danta kumula mo kumandila isina ise kuma sutung fodro mo nyin kana jamfa mo di se acknowledgement schedule ka tande ko nyim baro nyim way na haso to le fama na haso ko tiaje nyami isu ko mo and the regular program. So, signed on behalf of the CEO, Mr. Dabo, Bafala and Contant Tabaka to Alana. So, B, Saturn Million only way na Falaja, Mina only 4 countries. Okay. Mobile traffic police, naturally, the representative Pijal, it told me 50 back of 10 kilo DDL, who told Fanana more million on Katara do for the Seh baka usufana be 35 bucks di la pra defana nala dara because ye safero kene kay tani ko sulata sukroji Abdullah Sise na representative len for North Bank region that will be 1077 bucks in all the shuttle but somebody can distribute to North Bank region. We have Kante Kunda Sifo, to 100 bag dealer to the Sifon Kolle. We have Gambia Market Union, Nila Mol Bijal, we have 200 bags for them. Gambia Telo Union, not rated Fernanda Mol Bijal, we have 200 bags for them. Talokoto, it was 50 bags of Puritulu. Farato Bojankunda, we have 50 bags for them. We have Sambuya, we have 50 bags for them. Regular Society, we have 30 bags for them. We have Sukuta New Town Kafo, Aja Binta Anala Mulu, we have 61 bags for them. Jambu Diyanke Kafo, we have 50 bags for them. We have Brufut Phase 1, we have 50 bags for them. We have Buffalo to Kafo, we have 50 bags for them. We have Brufut Sweden, Dumbo Kono, we have 65 bags for them. Mandinaring, Santamba, we have 78 bags for them. We have Mandinaring to Lakunda, we have 100 bags for them. We have Mandinaba, VDC, we have 100 bags for them. We have Madiana, BDC, 75 bags for them. We have Gunjur, BDC, we have 100 bags for them. We have Manduar, we have 75 bags for them. Fire and Rescue Services, we have 100 bags for them. Gambia Prison Services, we have 100 bags for them in 10 kilos. We have Talinding Security Group, 75 bags for them. We have Bakau Bremen Kafo, we have 50 bags for them. We have Bakau Farokono, we have 50 bags for them. We have Bakam, Karantaba, and Tambana, we have 120 bags for them. We have Basse Army Barracks, we have 150 bags for them. We have URR, an ex-representative, 25 bags for him. And we have Jambur Arabic School, we have 20 bags for them. And we have Old Yundu Dara, we have 20 bags for them. We have Banyaka Dara, we have 20 bags for them. We have NGO Affairs, we have 30 bags for them. We have Mr. Keta Bulung, 50 bags for them. And we have Pasay Area Council, we have 1,500 bags for them. Numbering the total 1,706 bags. So today, the Ming Jandana Moltema Ninka for Milne told for, with our boat Uli Lulu, Kemi Woroula, and in water war. The Wole Janjanila, Ning beneficiaries Moltema. So we make it quickly, we more command the Kafur command la police na la representative is a kuma shooting so we mean for that the Nimbe Mola Kumayato and Nimbe Munefonola who Ning Marco Roaming Akadisa water. So Kamala Saimbe Diamo Danajan, Saimbe North Bank region, la representative command Abdullah Sise is around, you can come and say a word. Okay, if we can have the representative of Bassett, yes, you can come and say a few words, a word of gratitude. Okay. Then from there, do we have Farato Bojankunda? Are they here? Farato Bojankunda, they are not here. Okay. What about Sambuya? Okay. Mokili said on your behalf, then you can be ready. After this one, you can come. Huh? Okay. Sukuta, Newtown Kafo, Mokili said on your behalf. Okay. What about Jambur Driyanke Kafo? Jambur. Okay. Then let's start with Basse representative.
On behalf of Uncle Tro Dabo, I will say, Mr. Fofana, ladies and gentlemen, the press and everybody who is present here, I am greeting you in the Islamic way of greeting by saying, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh. To begin with, my name is Major Abdullah Arba, serving member of the Gambia Armed Forces at Basse region. I am here to speak on behalf of my Basse commander, not on behalf of the Gambia Armed Forces. So that anything that I said, I'm saying on behalf of the Basse military camp, but not on behalf of the Gambia Armed Forces. Mr. Fofana, please extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. Uncle Tro Dabo that by doing what he is doing, let the sky be his limit. Whenever you are doing good thing, people must come and try to stop you. But as a good Muslim and the teaching of Islam, we are all told when you have, try and extend your generosity to those who are in need. Extend my warmly appreciation and gratitude to Mr. Dabo. And on behalf of my commander, he said he is very much delighted and happy of what Mr. Dabo have done for his camp. Dabo don't do only sugar distribution to Basse camp. He have gone beyond that. Because I can remember he have intervened in a lot of development projects inside Basse camp. It's through his blessing, this is why we are able to achieve those development in Basse Army camp. Hence, much wanted to speak on behalf of Basse camp. I am saying that God bless Mr. Dabo, and may God save him on what the good thing he is doing for the Gambian people, especially the Basse people. Thank you very much.
We now call the representative from Zambia to say a few words on the program.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to send my special thank to the CEO of Vision Development Foundation, that is Momo Dabo, for the magnanimity that he extended to my village, Zambia. Myself as the village alcalde, we have adopted him as the father of the village in 2018. But since then, to date, he has given us all kind of support. And in every Ramadan, he will give us Ramadan sugar that we will distribute to the needy of the village. And this help is definitely timely, because in a village where majority of the people are poor, so giving them sugar will definitely help them in this holy month of Ramadan. For that, I would like to thank him sincerely and thank all the members of the foundation, VDF, for their efforts and always remembering us anytime we are in need. For that note, I will say thank you so much, and thank you, Mr. Fofola.
Representative from Zambia. We will now call our able MP to come and see or share his thought on the importance of this gesture that Mr. Dabo is giving. We call Honorable Cisse to say a few words before we move to the MP for Banjul. We thank you.
Let me also Development Foundation, Mr. Dabo, for quite a long time. I came to know about Mr. Dabo through a friend, and of course when I met him I knew he is a very good individual who respects people of this country, and of course we have had him serving everyone around the country. He has given support to everybody within the four corners of this country through his foundation. So this is a noble gesture from my constituency, and of course from the people of the Gambia. We express appreciation to him, and we want to pray that Allah the Almighty continue to shower his blessings on him for the support he has been rendering to the people of this country. That he is someone that the Gambia need to appreciate, and of course we need to show him love and support him as well, because if we have someone like this, we need to honor him. Other countries have people who have been giving them, supports like this. They honor the individual and they give him the respect that he deserves. And I think Gambian people, and of course everyone, should also do that for Mr. Dabo. So this is a gesture that we appreciate a lot. We want to thank him and his team for this continuous support. I'm sure everybody here will benefit from this, and then we will take a good use of the gift that he's going to give to the people. So thank you, Mr. Dabo, for this support. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Honorable. We have the pleasure to invite the MP for Banjul to come and send in his acknowledged. Banjul not.
Banjul. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I am, like the chair have said, I am Honorable Modou Lamine Biba, the National Assembly member from Banjul North constituency, and I am indeed very honored to stand in front of you today to be part of this important initiative by the Vision Development Foundation under the leadership of Uncle Toro Dabo. I want to sincerely and also show my appreciation to Mr. Dabo and his entire team for coming up with such a gesture, which I vividly remember when I was working at the City Council as the IPRO. I normally come on behalf of the Banjul City Council to receive such gestures on behalf of the people of Banjul. And I am indeed very honored and happy to be myself here today, to be part of this initiative to extend the support to the people of Banjul North. And we are saying a very big thank you, and we want to seize this opportunity to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that whatever Mr. Dabo is into as far as supporting the needy is concerned, may Allah make him or give him more strength and also more capacity to be able to support the needy as far as our communities are concerned. I don't know, with your permission, Chair, I just want to speak the local language because I think lu am solo la maglena gerem di lena santa comme nuko waxe ci kalama angale man la Honorable Modou Lamine Biba joge ci tunda bu ñoo oyé Banjul North constituency. Yalla def na nak tay amna mbekté bu mag pour nekk fi pour receive support bu am solo bi pour wa Banjul North. Mu nekk loo xam ne nag comme nu ma ko waxee woon ci kaalama angale ne yàlla defoon na maa ngi doon liggéey Banjul City Council si i jamono yu yàgga waaye lii mu ngi doon am parce que dama laa ñëw pour represent Banjul as a city through Banjul City Council pour ñëw receive bagages yi pour dimbale waa Banjul yoo xam ne they are in need. So tey nag am naa mbégte lool ne man suma boppa ma maa fi nekk tey pour ñëw receive on behalf of the people of Banjul North. Di buga wax rek ne maa ngi gërëm te di sant tamit Vision Development Foundation si njiitali Uncle Toro Dabo di ko yëgal ne kontaan nañ torop te di ko ñaanal yàlla ak tiimam si lu gaay nekk nii pour dimbale askan bi ñoo xam ne especially dañ ko soxla especially time bu nekk nii si weeri Ramadan ñu ngi koo ñaanal yàlla jën koo sutural yàlla jën koo dooleel ba pare yàlla jën koo munloo lu moo def nii si barke Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Jërë ngeen jëf. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, Honorable ML Ba, the MP for Banjul North. Now we'll call the representative of New Sukuta Kafo, Aja Binta Cham, with their representative to just come and say a few words. Sukuta Kafo ila representative ya mosina idea mu Kafo toyala ay kontano min soto pour kanyi sukro soto ka samba ila Kafo mole
wadi misimo la ngali be konto na nya janna kontano mbal be konto na wala fofa na be kila mfama ka minga ta moto daboti ka faye mba konto na insun karadi mala ani sangol min be tambita min fana bina la benni la reji ngali gafo dimo be konton tolom Sukuta New Town mu solda kambe kafo telom aja binta pakal chamti nyima kadi bo jang wala mun nano malankoti ni min nata jang asisa nyam bijang kadi kante bijang na sectoril bije itolle ko ngana fofana en kolin nata fofana be konton na be fama konton na nyimman ken to de terama kuoti sila ndol nim fama la tema sila sanji muanga siata ati sanji muanga ay wasile nala di yanim faya baraman tu ko mat sawo sankana janne imaje bibirin nata manjan sute nan nata janne kata lati kunda fana ngada min na jewolon kata sukuro kama sawo san nasim fam wolati ay kumando min ken natan dan kumbaten tulamba jayla alama ali amendi gambia nyaato alama ali amendi dunia nyaato alama ali ala na tol betim kila na saibul hormota kamol na famin alama ali anyo jama kay dunia ni lakira ndol man fen soto be min fola fo ka faya nimbara nim fen tamita nimbara lan so fana fono fo fana fana nimbara nali be ñofe dunia alama nale tar ñofe lakira alama bela na tol timmal la ilaha kum barakatu alama be kala san fi la bani mata ala baraka.
Thank you, Baraka Bake Aja. Signing Fire and Rescue Services Nila representative Bija Asinano IFM4 and Gambia Prison Services Fana. They can come and say something. From there we have Talokoto, then we will wrap up.
I come to fire service and battle number fire service for container about 10 by Jaro.
We understand prisons la mol manfuta namfolo, but Sheikh Baka also Fofana la representative Bija, your Imam Fofana. So be minkela be ning Talokoto ni la representative Bija. Mo kilinse nano la diam on behalf of Talokoto.
Assalamu alaikum mbokk yépp ñu fi teew maa ngi sant yàlla bu baax fekkee bi ma fekkee ren kontaan naa torop maa ngi nuyu ñépp ñu fi nekk bàyyiwuma kenn ndax lii moom suñu papa bu ñu jàpp baay dafa xam ne am na ay doom dafa xam ne Gambien si ay mbokkam lañu moo tax mu def lu rëy lii te yàlla loolu la wax soo amee nga dimbale sa morom ki nga xam ne dafa néew doole te mu ngi koo wone ñu ngi koo gërëm bu baax man maa ngi jógee Talokoto ba fii daaw fekkee naa ren tam fekkee naa maa ngi sant yàlla bu baax te sant tam staffam yi yëpp asama Seeku Fofana ki nga xam ne mu ngi sonn ci nit ñi waxtu bu nekk bi nga ko ooyee dina la uyu waxtu bu nekk bi nga egga seen office ñoom yëpp dañ lay xam soo eggee dañuy rey ak yow dalal la bu baax ñu ngi kontaan bu baax boo gisee ñu am fit ñoom lañu ñoom ñoo ñu won dañu teral bu wóor moo tax tey ñu sañ a egg fu ñu egg même guddi lañu oo dinañu egg si ndax jaral nañu ko jërëjëf maa ngi leen sant di ko sant bu baax di fekkee lu bare ak lépp li nga xam ne bëgg na ko yàlla dimbale jërëjëf.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Modu Danso, Information, Education and Communication Officer, NGO Affairs Agency. It's indeed a great honor to attend such an event like this in this holy month of Ramadan. This support from VDF is not something new to anyone. Most of us, since we were young, we always hear about VDF, Village Development, Vision Development Foundation, giving support, especially during Ramadan and even beyond. As NGO Affairs Agency, our mandate is to monitor, coordinate NGO activities in the country. We register them, we monitor their activities as well. We ensure that whatever activity they are doing reaches the intended beneficiaries and impacts on the lives and livelihoods of Gambians. And I can confidently say that VDF is on that line, that they are actually benefiting the Gambians, and judging by the testimonies given by beneficiaries, we can all attest to that fact. This support, that is the sugar, the rice, especially the sugar, will help a long way, in sustaining people during this holy month of Ramadan. And what makes it even striking is the fact that they are conscious of health. That's because they have, the brown sugar, and that brown sugar, even diabetes, patients, can benefit from it. If we are to continue saying the benefit of this food, sugar distribution, we cannot exhaust it. And I don't want to spend much time, because most of us, came from different areas. Some came from Basse, some from North Bank, from different aspects. And I would want to conclude my statement by saying that VDF is a very good collaborator with NGO Affairs Agency. They've been doing their compliance. When also it comes to monitoring, they always adhere to the rules and regulations governing NGO operations. So on that note, on behalf of my director, on behalf of my agency, NGO Affairs Agency, I would like to thank all of you for creating time to attend this occasion. Thank you.
Saimbe Tambana, il representative Bakang, Anim Karantaba, il representative Mole Kuman la mo kilinse diam ila kafoto yala, then nemo bataje saim, be kuo dan na waleto, then saim si start kasukurodi.
Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here today, as it is an honor to be invited in this guest talk. And I am Amadouba, a native of Tambana, Jokado. I'm here to represent the three villages, that is Tambana, Bakan, Karantaba. Maturodabo is an individual we respected so much, and this is not the first time we have been doing such. And when you come to the country, it is a well-known philosophy. In this aspect, we are so much grateful to benefit from this initiative. And we want to take this opportunity also to thank him so much for doing this, because it is not something that is easy also. Like people like Maturodabo are very difficult to have. But if we have such people, no matter what, let us try to protect them. We need them more than anything. And on behalf of Bakang Karantaba Tambana, I thank you all, and please extend our gratitude to Mr. Maturodabo. To be candid with you, we are very much impressed with his work. Thank you.
That's the representative of Tambana, Bakang and Karantaba. Now we have to wrap up the courting here. As part of our culture here, please, we have our people here who are going to do the loading. Although we would want you guys to join us or join hands together because we are in the holy month of Ramadan. But this time around, vehicles will come in, they will be loaded and they will go this way. Okay? And please, we will give chance to those that are very far, especially those coming from Basse. So please, let's start from those coming from Basse, and those guys who are going up to North Bank, Nyomi. Then from there, because of the crossing, then the others will follow it because we are not crossing. So please, yesterday we are not here. And I don't think tomorrow any one of you will be here. So please today, let us bear. Because people will always come to us because they are in a hurry. They want us to, get the chance to come and load. So we are appealing. We want all of us to do it quickly. After they counted it, let us all help each other and load it up, then we disperse. Then the process will be very fast and we'll be able to accomplish it. On that note, on behalf of our management committee, our able leader, Mr. Mamadou Dabo, our chairman, and the management board of Vision Development Foundation, our public officers or our media representatives, the press, all those that are here, we want to take this opportunity to thank you for coming and attend to this today's presentation. I thank you. Thank you. So.
Kori jangeng itte majjere mo janga hande no ani. Kori jangeng itte majjere mo janga hande no ani. Torodeng Allah yo fewnu en elawol bembe onemini. Torodeng Allah yo fewnu en elawol bembe onemini. Nela do men Muhammadu kori nyenti nemmo ka golle ben. Nela do men Muhammadu kori nyenti nemmo ka golle men. Allahu ko reweteɗo men islamu on ko dina men